I'd like to talk about our triple combination, the GMD 8730 paired with the GMD 802F. The GMD 8730 is a new rear triple combination which allows up to 28 foot, 7 inches worth of cut in one pass. The GMD 8730 utilizes a high-strength steel frame. High-strength steel, it has a higher tensile strength than a same gauge thickness regular mild steel. With this, we're able to reduce weight from our previous triple offerings down to 3,924 pounds. This reduced weight, yet high-strength capability, allows this triple combination to be used on 120 horsepower tractors and up. One of the things that really distinguishes this triple combination from anything else out on the market is the cutter bar system. This cutter bar differentiates itself from the rest of the market in several unique ways. One is the fact that it is lube for life. With synthetic gear oil, an operator never needs to have regular oil maintenance intervals. Also with the cutter bar, several unique things that leads up to increased rigidity. One is the design. With a W-shaped back section, we do not need a stiffener to run through the cutter bar, yet still have high reliability and high strength. Also, bolted through in the idlers as well as the main housing allows the cutter bar to have bolted through protection. One of the most exciting features about the OptiDisc cutter bar itself is the fast fit system that it utilizes. Fast fit is a way to quickly change the blades without need for a normal wrench or to remove bolts. All an operator simply requires is the fast fit tool that comes with the machine. To be able to change knives out or to flip them, what an operator must do is take the fast fit tool, put the fast fit tool in between the disc and the spring plate that holds the knife assembly onto the disc. An operator simply fits it in between the disc and the spring plate, positions the knife over the hole that is found in the skid shoe, pushes down, pulls out the knife. You will notice that the knife has a rounded edge or rounded top to it. It has two-sided edges. If an operator wanted to flip the knife over, he'd simply press back down, fit the knife in over the mounting hole, drop it back up, and it's done. This also allows the knife to be flexible so it can move back and forth and it's not rigid throughout the cutter bar. The operator has the ability to select 3 different working widths. All the way out is 28 foot 7 inches worth of cut. What an operator would usually use this in is level flat ground like the field we are currently in. If the farmer goes through rough or undulating terrain, so he's starting to mow some side hills and things like that, he would probably go into the second position, which the machine is currently bolted through. This setting will allow a greater degree of overlap than the farthest out setting. In case of mowing in extreme angles or on extreme hillsides, all the way in would allow for up to 1 foot 4 inches worth of overlap. Of course, with triple mowing, suspension is greatly needed. On this machine, we utilize suspension in 2 different ways. One is with the pendulum mount for each cutter bar in the rear. What this pendulum mount allows this machine to do is to be suspended from the middle. So as the operator is moving through the field, anytime they're going over any rough ground undulations, the cutter bar is able to flex side to side, yet still remain rigid and flat to the point of being able to cut cleanly. There is also a spring that allows the cutter bed to return back into the normal working position if overcoming a hill. Also, the GMD 8730 utilizes the lift control system. With this system, the operator simply has to unfold the rear section of the triple mower. If the operator has done this, he simply comes back and unlocks the valve located on each side. This valve controls the down pressure applied to each cutter bar. As seen on other Kuhn mowers, this machine utilizes the non-stop system. This small cylinder allows each cutter bar to independently brake back and up if encountering an obstacle in the field. Once they have overcome that obstacle, it will automatically reset back into the mowing position. As with the rear mowing units, the front unit, the GMD 802F, is also equipped with the Fast Fit feature. To remove the knife, just as you did with the rear, simply fit the Fast Fit tool in, make sure the knife is over the hole in the skid plate, press down, pop the knife out, and then you're able to flip around to replace. You will notice that the front unit has a square end on the retaining hole side. The rear unit utilizes a round side.